Good evening, everyone. I'm Maridel B. Ablanida, presenter. Claire B. Makabalang, professor. My task is to report about definitions of curriculum planning and its purpose. What is curriculum planning? The definitions of curriculum planning is the process of identifying and organizing the instructional materials that the course will follow. The curriculum design makes decisions about what the student will be learning and how to deliver that material to the student. As of now, curriculum in Matatag are learning-centered. The process of learning is the pupil-centered learning. Instructional materials need to know the process of the learning so that they can analyze and realize the process of learning process. The purpose of curriculum planning is an educational context to provide not only learning standards that educators need to meet while teaching a class or subject, but also details, lessons, and in supporting materials that can aid teacher in conveying the content needed in order to ensure that students met the learning. The curriculum planning is important because it helps make sure daily teaching has a larger purpose. It provides a guide by supplying learning outcomes along with the activities designed to help achieve the goals to achieve those outcomes. Okay, how do the teacher make a curriculum plan? The teacher can make a curriculum plan by first determining what is most important to student to learn. The teacher consider both short-term and long-term goals. The, sh- the short the teacher decides the best method to deliver the content. The teacher also need to include a plan to assess what the student have learned to get a better idea on how curriculum planning works. An example is the teacher in history. You need to prepare a curriculum plan about history class that has begun a Filipino Revolution. Yung topic niya about sa curriculum na yung paano nagrebelde yung mga Pilipino. Okay, yun ang isang paraan para guided tayo sa ating curriculum, sa ating tinuturo at nakasunod tayo, guided tayo. Yun lang po, thank you. God bless. That's all po.